this is Supriya. If you're watching this face for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are already following me, then today we are checking out Camden Market, and without any further ado, let's get started. Dance me, dance me, dance me, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. So Camden Market is a collection of very different markets together. You will find markets which have street food and which have souvenirs. Of course, everything is at an affordable price. Uske alawa, you will see football jerseys. You will also see other stuff like leather material stuff. You will see proper stores, and then you will see a lot of graffiti here. So the first market which we are going to check is called the Inverness Market. As soon as I entered, I saw this beautiful football jersey stall, जो कि एक football lovers के लिए it's like a paradise. You will see anything and everything you want from this store, and because it's, like I said, it's a street market, it's very affordable. Wow, this is so beautiful. How much is this for?
That was £22, yeah? That's Malachi. This is 16. One side is black, one side is mother of pearl, one side is onyx there.
Okay, so this is the real mother of pearl.
Yeah.
Okay.
और ऐसे ही चलते चलते एक्सप्लोर करते करते हमारी नज़र पड़ी एक एनिमे स्टोर पर. नाउ बीइंग एन एनिमे लवर, my man and also Atul, they both love it, so I had to go and check it out for them, and we loved the whole collection. It had lots of comics and wonderful figurines. One thing which I really liked about Camden Market altogether is that you'll see people from different age groups, races, and they all are doing their stuff. There is something for everybody, so everybody, you know, is gracing the market in their own style. Then walking towards the main Camden area market, you will see that there's something for everybody, starting from artwork, paintings to even crystals. So if you are someone who is into crystals, you will love these shops, and I bought from here a lot of crystals and other stuff which I'll show on another video.
Thank you. Oppenheimer. Yeah, now I need to get a coaster from here.
So when I went to Brick Lane, I'll link the video on the top here. I was awestruck by the graffiti, but here it's something different. It's graffiti but in a 3D manner, and I love how beautiful it looks, and this market is famous for this work. So chalte chalte I entered this very futuristic shop. Why I call it futuristic is because it has everything glowing, glow in the dark, neon, and then there's a lot of loud music playing just like you're in a club, and there's smoke coming out. So it was altogether a very different and fantastic experience.
You'll see something very interesting. Are you ready? Yeah, I think it's Gal Gadot, if I'm not wrong. I might be wrong.
I feel after, Japan, this shop has everything and anything to do with Japanese animation. So if you're a huge fan and you're in London, you have to stop by and check this place.
It's heaven, guys.
So now we are hungry, and let's go and explore the food stalls.
This is so unique. It's like an igloo. Wow, I want to sit and eat here.
So after checking out the food stalls, I liked this Bhangra Baba Ji burger stall. It reminded me of India. The flavors are chicken tikka and everything, and I went for the cheeky chicken tikka burger. And last but not the least, Camden Market is known for its amazing street with colorful umbrellas throughout, and isko dekhne ke liye I came here twice, guys. I love this place. So that's it for today's video, you guys. If you like this video, do comment and share what you like the most about it, and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends and family. And I'll meet you again very soon. There's so much more to explore in London left. So thanks for watching, and bye.